Alright guys, we just finished tech. We passed tech. Technically the helmet's expired, but they're gonna let us run. But anyways, passed tech. Couple things we gotta change, and then yeah, we're gonna make some passes. Got here a little late, so that's why I didn't start vlogging. Oh, my beard looks crazy, but that's why I didn't start vlogging. But yeah, hopefully you get to make some passes. We're only doing 8th mile, nothing crazy. Xavi's right in front of us. I don't know if I could switch this around. There's Xavi right there getting teched in. They're probably breaking his balls about something, because now he's trying to run 1050. But anyways, yeah. So we just got teched in. I'm just waiting for Xavi to get out of my way, and then we could get back over there and get suited and booted and get in the lanes. And just, you know, double check everything, and yeah. Alright guys, we got the hood all taped up with a couple extra security, because, you know, just in case. Everybody thinks I'm trying to go fast. Honestly, I just don't want my hood to come flying up. So, got that all taped up. Passed tech with flying colors. For some reason, they gave Xavi a way harder time than they gave me. That car's practically a street car. I don't know what it is. But the guy came over, looked at it. The only problem was the helmet, like I said. But he says he's going to let me run. So, we're ready to roll. She looks like a race car. I don't know. Hopefully this goes good. Kind of, you know, I got my fancy shoes on and stuff. So, you know, ready to roll. I think so. I know my legs gonna start shaking as soon as I get up there. I already know. Xavi and Javier over there. Noel's here. You guys gotta go check out their YouTube channel. Okay, yeah, tuning.
Number one pit guy today.
Number one pit guy, because he was waiting for something to be done, so he couldn't bring the car. Freaking sucks. But Javier's driving Xavi's single cam. Xavi's got the CRX with the new carbon fenders. Hell yeah, brother. Tuesday. Got Chamaco out here. It's a good time. It's a good time. Maybe we'll get next to a domestic and crack them to the 8th. Probably not, though. I gotta shut it down. We'll see what happens.
What's up, brother?
What's up, brother?
How are you, brother?
I'm nervous, brother.
Left lane, Tyler Segura, new Milford, Connecticut. Right lane, Civic Coupe. Segura also runs with Nito. They'll be up here in a few weeks. Segura goes 10:07, 132. Nice run.
I don't know, guys. Just broke something.
Little, I think like 1600 or 2-liter motor in the Civic, big block power in the Monty. Blinker also runs Super Street with this car. As king of the track, was a killer in the junior dragster division, had a pretty good first season in Super Pro last year. He was on the stop for a bit. And another breakdown. 984, 141. You might be trying to move up to super gas, maybe. No, sir, the starting line is back there. Grab it, thank you. Camaro and CRX. You will see this where actually make it past the starting line. Came off the Civic. 1137.
Alright, so unfortunately, guys, we're done. Like I said, the car wheel hopped super hard. Broke the axle where we thought we could get away with it. And it literally split it like a grinder. So, we're done for the day. It is what it is. It sucks, but you know what? I'm happy we came out here. At least got to feel the car a little bit. And so, we're going to have to push it back on now because it got no axle. So, plans to put 36s in there now. So, but you know what? I'm not upset. I'm kind of happy we came out. So now we're gonna go back up to the line because Xavi and Javier are gonna go back up.
McCall